This segment of Bridge Street is sponsored by CNY Cosmetic and Reconstructive Surgery.
Well, I recently took a trip over to CNY Cosmetics and Reconstructive Surgery to get an inside look at some of the procedures that they've come on here to talk to us about. So they gave me some great, what do you want to call it? Lessons on neurotoxins, fillers, and PRP.
Well, and listen, we want to let you know that if you are a little squeamish, needles are involved in some of these procedures, so just a little heads up. Let's take a look.
Our first stop is with CNY Beauty team member Beth Phillips. Hi Beth, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good, it's so nice to be in your facility.
We're happy to have you here.
And you're going to show us today how to do PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. What is that exactly?
So platelet-rich plasma is where we draw our patient's blood, we spin it down in a centrifuge, the red blood cells come out, and what's left is the plasma. The plasma has stem cells, healing factors, growth factors in it, and then we re-inject it in places to help your body heal itself, promote collagen, all kinds of nice things as far as anti-aging. The blood is in a special tube. The tube has a gel that allows us to separate everything.
You're just drawing the blood typically like you would go
if you had labs.
Yes, if you had labs.
Absolutely. And then we're going to have to take a few minutes to spin it down. And we get about 10 cc's and we can decide what we're going to do with it.
Alrighty, while the blood is churning away, I'm going to talk to CNY Beauty member number 2. This is Rosa Kanata. How are you, Rosa?
Good, how are you?
Good. So we're talking about neurotoxins today, and I have no idea what that is.
Okay. So neurotoxins, you may be familiar with some brand names, Botox,
yes,
Xeomin, Dysport, Jeuveau. They are used to essentially relax the muscle, and that way the overlying skin and soft tissue doesn't crinkle and wrinkle, so you have a smoother complexion.
Okay, great. So now, what are we going to do on this beautiful lady who looks like she doesn't need anything?
I know, she is beautiful, but she wants to soften some of her wrinkles. So turn towards me just a little, and then I want you to make that angry face for me and relax.
Okay, now is this gonna hurt?
So we do use a needle to inject the neurotoxin, so it's a needle pinch, but truthfully, patients tolerate it very well.
Okay, great.
And this is a quick treatment that you can have done literally 15 minutes in and out of the office. And then raise your brows for me and relax.
So just a little bit of redness, I mean.
Yep, common effects are gonna be just like any other injection, swelling, bruising, bleeding at the injection site, but those are really just short-lived. They tend to go away pretty quickly.
All right, I gotta know if this truly hurts. If it's hurting you, give me a thumbs up. If it's not, a thumbs down. Be honest. Well, there you go. It doesn't hurt.
You do not see results immediately with neurotoxin. Typically, you start to notice the effect about 4 to 6 days.
Okay.
Afterwards, you'll start to see a softening. The full effect will be there 1 to 2 weeks out from the treatment, and then your effect of the treatment lasts about 3 to 4 months.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, so we just saw the neurotoxins. Now it's time to meet the third member of the CNY Beauty team, Christina Gencola, and you are going to show us fillers because neurotoxins and fillers are 2 different things.
Yes, they are. So neurotoxins are neuromodulators. They're preventing emotion. With filler, you are filling in a space. You're adding volume to an area where maybe you've lost volume, or creating volume where maybe there wasn't any. So they're pretty fun.
For example, lips.
Yes.
That's a lot of people know that fillers, you know, you can get fillers for your lips, right?
Yes, and that's a really popular area these days. That's actually what we're going to be doing today.
Okay.
She's got great shape, good volume. We're just going to add a little bit of filler to kind of hydrate a little bit and just add a touch more volume. So lip injections typically done with a needle point, okay? But with the lips, we want to be very precise. We want the filler to go exactly where we want and create a shape.
Okay, okay. But look how she's handling it. I like it.
So you can just see, just with that little bit of product, that before and after, she's just got a little bit of volume, and it's just kind of enhancing what she naturally has.
So unlike neurotoxins, you can see this immediately.
Yes, and that's the great thing about fillers, that you're coming in, you're leaving saying, okay, I like this look, and you kind of go from there.
There you go. Okay, everyone, we're going to go back in with CNY Team Beauty member Beth Phillips and the PRP.
Yes.
So the blood is finished spinning.
Yes.
Okay, so you can get that out now.
Grab that.
And it should be separated,
No,
right?
it is separated. So as you see, this, our liquid gold, I know you like to know, that's the red blood cells. We're going to discard those, but this is the PRP.
And so that is what you're going to take and inject into her scalp to help with the thinning of her hair. Well, you're also going to use some of the liquid gold in her neck.
This is going to help her crepey skin. It's going to help to make that skin have more collagen. It works a little bit like a filler. In some places, some people think that it has more of a filler effect. It gets absorbed pretty quickly. You may see a little bit of a filler effect, but it's really more for creating collagen.
Creating the collagen, listen.
Yeah.
All right, well, you continue doing that. And listen, if you would like to have any of these services that you saw today or learn any more about them, you can visit CNY Cosmetic and Reconstructive Surgery. They're located at 5898 Bridge Street in East Syracuse. You can call them at 315-663-0112 or visit their website, plasticsurgeryofsyracuse.com. And if you would like to try anything like we said this morning, they'll give you a discount. They're hosting a charity holiday toy drive. It's happening now through December 20th. And with every toy donation, you'll receive 20% off all skincare products and all esthetician services, excluding Morpheus and Fractura. Well, Beth, thank you so much for letting us see all these procedures today. Everyone looks beautiful. Laura, you look beautiful. You looked beautiful before we started. But this has been a great experience, and we thank you, and thank your staff for us.
Well, it was nice to have you here.